Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting to the control surface. Locate the File Dock icon in the taskbar or system tray and open its settings. Once done, right-click the icon or press the System Settings shortcut and navigate to Apps or Extensions. This is where features live. Make sure you have admin rights, because turning off a system-level dock may require confirmation or a password. This ensures you can change persistent behavior rather than just hide the interface temporarily. You now focus on the specific control, find the toggle labeled Enable File Dock or a Disable option, and switch it off. While you do this, pay attention to dependent controls. Some docks also manage shortcuts, auto-hide, or quick access pins, so uncheck those if you want a full shutdown. After flipping the setting, apply changes and accept restart or logout prompts when shown, because many dock processes reload only after a session restart or a system service restart. You finish by confirming the change. Restart the system or sign out and back in to make sure the file dock no longer appears. If the dock persists, check startup or login items and remove any file dock entry so it won't relaunch. Make sure to use Task Manager or Activity Monitor to end residual processes, then try disabling again. Troubleshooting tip: if it still won't disable, reinstall the app and then disable before first launch. Corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.